your knees to embarrass you in front of this lovely audience. It's all going to happen right now. The count of 3, back to 1. People on stage and in the audience. 3, 2, 1. Sitting up, eyes open. Everybody can deal with their knees because they're being a little bit unruly. Go ahead and talk to them. Give them some positive encouragement. That's always the best way to take care of a negative situation, is encourage in a positive, constructive manner. So tell those knees how they need to work together as a team, because when I snap my fingers, they are really going off on each other. They are really being rude, mean, nasty. Talk to them. Separate them if you need to. They're gentlemen. Give them some positive encouragement. Tell those knees how they need to work together as a team. They need to work together as a team. They need to work together as a team. Because when I snap again, they are just going crazy on each other. They are really being rude, mean, nasty. Talk to them. Separate them. Separate them. Talk to them. Give them some love and encouragement. Tell those knees how they need each other. They need to work together as a team. That they need to work together as a team. Give them some positive love and encouragement. When I snap again, your positive remarks have totally worked. In fact, your knees are so glad they have each other, they just come right together now and hug on each other, and that makes you feel good. The more your knees hug together, the happier you get, the better you feel. Feel your knees just hug together, and that makes you feel good all over. The more those knees hug together the better you feel. That feels fantastic. I snap again, those knees are fine. I snap again, you look down at your feet, you realize that your toes are telling you hilarious jokes. And each time you look down, you just start laughing and giggling, giggling and laughing. As each time you look at your feet, they tell you another funny joke, and another funny joke, and another funny joke, and another funny joke. And that makes you laugh and giggle, giggle, and laugh. The more you laugh, the more you giggle, the more you giggle, the more you laugh. You just can't help but laugh and giggle, giggle, and laugh. I snap my fingers, you look down, they tell you one of the best jokes of all time. That is one of the funniest jokes you've ever heard in your entire life right there. For sure, for sure. That is one of the funniest jokes you've ever heard in your entire life. I snap again, you look at your neighbor's feet, they tell you even a better one. Even a better one comes from a neighbor's feet right there. Even a better one comes from a neighbor's feet right there. That is the best darn joke you've ever heard in your entire life right there, for sure, for sure. I snap again, you look at your own feet, they tell you a joke, but this time you just don't get it. I snap again, now you get it. Hey, there's actually a little bit of a thing is what that was. Yes, 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 yes. Toes are fine, knees are fine, everybody's feeling fine. And this round of applause is all for you. Give all my friends a big round.